Quran and modern science. The spherical shape of the earth. In early times, people believed that the earth is flat. For centuries, men were afraid to venture out too far lest they should fall off the edge. Sir Francis Drake was the first person who proved that the earth is spherical when he sailed around it in 1577. Consider the following Quranic verse regarding the alternation of the day and night. ألم تر أن الله يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل. Seest thou not that Allah merges night into day and He merges day into night? Merging here means that the night slowly and gradually changes to day and vice versa. This phenomena can only take place if the earth is spherical. If the earth was flat, there would have been a sudden change from night to day and from day to night. The following verse also alludes to the spherical shape of the earth. خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق يكور الليل على النهار ويكور النهار على الليل. He created the heavens and the earth in true proportions. That is the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He makes the night overlap the day and the day overlap the night. The Arabic word used here is kawara, meaning to overlap, to coil, the way a turban is wound around the head. The overlapping or coiling of the day and night can take place if the earth is spherical. The earth is not exactly round like a ball but geospherical. That is, it is flattened at the poles. The following verse contains a description of the earth's shape. وَالْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَاهَا. And the earth moreover hath he extended to a wide expanse. The Arabic word for egg is dahaha, which means an ostrich egg. The shape of an ostrich egg resembles the geospherical shape of the earth. Thus, the Quran correctly describes the shape of the earth, though the prevalent notion when the Quran was revealed was that the earth is flat. Let us therefore study the Quran and analyze whether the Quran and modern science are compatible or incompatible.